Answering PSAT questions every day into the test. Let's go over number 6. So we have 2x squared plus 7x minus 15 equals 0. R and S are two solutions. R is greater than S. What is the value of R minus S? So we just have to factor this out. So we're going to have 2x and we're going to have x, and we need to multiply to negative 15 but add to positive 7. A little tricky because we have the 2 here. I think we're going to try minus 3 and plus 5. So that should work. Now we need to solve these both for 0 to find the two solutions R and S and see which one is greater. So 2x minus 3 equals 0. Add 3. 2x equals 3. Divide by 2. And we get x equals 3 over 2. Here, this one is easy. X plus 5 equals 0 minus 5. X equals negative 5. Now, we could see this would be R, and this would be S. Now we do R minus S, so 3 over 2 minus 5. Well, let's just turn 5 into 10 over 2. So 3 over 2 minus, remember, negative 10 over 2 would be addition. So 3 over 2 plus 10 over 2 is 13 over 2. And that is your correct answer.